Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for joining us again.
Today, we're going to have a lot of fun because our topic is going to a concert.
Yes. We'll talk about buying tickets, waiting in line, finding seats, listening to music, and the whole experience.
And of course, we'll keep it easy English so you can follow along and learn.
So let's begin. Emma, have you been to a concert recently?
Not recently, but last year I went to see a band with my friends. It was amazing.
Nice. I love concerts. The music is so loud, but the energy is great.
Exactly. Okay, let's imagine that we're going to a concert together today.
Good idea. Let's start at the ticket office.
Hi, can I have 2 tickets for tonight's concert, please?
Sure, 2 tickets. Do you want seats in the front or the middle?
The middle is fine. How much are they?
They are $50 each.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Here are your tickets. Enjoy the concert.
That's how a simple ticket conversation works. Everyday English. Can I have 2 tickets, please?
Yes, and don't forget, how much are they?
Now, let's move to the concert hall. Imagine we're arriving.
Wow, Emma, look at all the people here.
Yes, it's so crowded. Let's find the entrance.
Okay, I see a sign that says Gate A. Let's go there.
Great. But first, let's show our tickets.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy the show.
I love how concerts feel even before they start. The excitement is in the air.
Me too. Everyone is smiling, talking, and waiting.
Now we're inside. Emma, where are our seats?
Let me look at the tickets. Row 10, seats 15 and 16.
All right, row 10. Here it is, perfect view.
Yes, we can see the stage clearly.
This is useful vocabulary. Stage, row, seat, ticket.
And also crowd, band, music, lights.
The lights go down. The music is about to start.
Oh, wow, look, the band is coming on stage.
Everyone is cheering and clapping.
Yes, the energy is amazing. I love this song.
Me too. Let's sing along.
At concerts, people often sing, dance, and shout.
And sometimes they use their phone lights, waving them in the air.
Yes, it looks beautiful, like stars in the dark.
After a few songs, people usually take a break. Hey, do you want something to drink?
Yes, maybe some water. I'm thirsty. Okay, let's go to the snack bar.
Excuse me, can I have a bottle of water, please?
And I'll take a soda. How much is that?
$5, please.
Here you go. Thank you.
Everyday English again. Can I have, please? How much is that?
Now, back to the concert.
The band starts playing their most famous song.
Oh, wow. Look, everyone is singing. I love this part.
Yes, the singer has so much energy.
The guitar sounds amazing.
And the drums are so powerful.
This is what makes concerts special. Live music feels different.
Sometimes people talk to strangers at concerts too.
Yes, like, hi, do you like this band?
Yes, I love them. This is my third time seeing them.
Really, it's my first time.
Simple small talk, but very friendly.
At the end of the concert, people always shout, Encore, Encore.
Which means they want more songs.
And usually the band comes back and plays one or two more songs.
Wow, they're back. I didn't expect that.
Yes, this is the best part.
And after that, the concert is finished.
Now, let's imagine we're leaving the hall.
That was amazing, Emma. I'm so happy we came.
Me too. The music, the lights, the crowd, everything was perfect.
Which song was your favorite?
I think the second one, the energy was so high.
For me, it was the last song. Everyone was singing together.
That's the magic of concerts, sharing music with people.
Everyday English at concerts includes buying tickets, finding seats, ordering drinks, talking to friends, and enjoying music.
Yes, and you don't need difficult words, just simple English for real situations. Wow, that was fun. I really felt like we went to a concert together.
Me too. And listeners, we hope you enjoyed it too.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.
That way, you'll get more fun English lessons with us every week.
And tell us in the comments, what was the last concert you went to?
We'd love to know.
All right, see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.